Hi, welcome to Excel Education. In this video, we'll see some more details of pivot tables. In the last videos, we had completed how to check or what is this row field, what is this column field, and what is this value field. Now, let us quickly try to understand what is this filter field. In our data, we had seen that we are having multiple regions in here. Namely, you're having central region, east region, central region, north region, and south region. I'll just remove the filter so that we can see everything. So, in this region filter, we can see that we have sales that is happening in multiple regions like central, north, and south. Let us say that for all these countries, we want only for a particular region called central. So how do we do that? So there are multiple ways of doing it. However, we have an option called filter here also. So you can just click, drag and drop it inside this filters. And the moment you click and drag it, you get a new filter in here. So let us say you want only for the central region. All you need to do is select multiple items, uncheck this all button, and you can select just for central, and you can see your sales data changing immediately. So what happens is the moment you click OK, your central region's data alone gets populated. You can see that this data is applicable only for central region and not for any other region. On the other hand, if you want only for the north zone, north region, you get the data immediately populated just for the north region. So that is how a filter works in a pivot table. All right. Not just this, guys. Let us say that you want to know the average profit that you have made instead of the total sum of profit. You can do that as well. You have multiple options. All I did was I was just clicking on this drop down. You can select value field settings and you get multiple options like sum, count, average, maximum, minimum. You can also take product of product of all the product means multiplication of all the profit figures. You can also count it. You can also take standard deviation. You can take variance. You have multiple options in there. So let us say we want to know the number of times. Let us say that the sales has happened. For that you can choose as count instead of profit, and it starts giving you numbers. So you can also quickly verify if the total number of sales that has happened in France is 1916. We have checked France multiple times. This time let us check with another country, let us say Finland. Let us verify if there has been 64 entries for Finland. We'll quickly go to the order data, filter the country as Finland. All right. So we have got multiple data in here. So we'll go to this profit tab and you can see that the count is exactly 64, which means that there are 64 entries in this particular column for Finland. So that is how a count of profit works. It just counts the number of entries where it just counts the total number of entries that are there for the country Finland under the column profit. So that's how the options under values work. So these are immensely useful factors, guys. I'll just put it back to sum of profit once again. Now, not just this, we can always sort these numbers from top to bottom. For example, all you need to do is right click it and you can sort it from largest to smallest. And you immediately get to know that this company is making all its profits, major profits from these countries. See, all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 countries are the solid contributors to profit for this particular company. And you can also immediately read that Netherlands is the country where the company is bleeding heavily because there has been immense losses for the company. Right. Likewise, we have multiple options to find the, in fact, you can also find the top five companies, I mean, top five countries where the company is making profit, or you can remove country and you can also start finding the exact product that where the company is making immense profit. Let us say that we just choose the subcategory, and you have got multiple subcategories. If you want to know where they are making the maximum profit, all you need to do is sort from largest to smallest, and you can see that the company is making immense profit from selling bookcases. So that is how it works, guys. You can immediately see that the top players, top top providers of profit to this company is bookcases, copiers, appliances. Not just that. If you want the top 10 people, top 10 categories that are adding to its profit, you can immediately right click on this row labels. One of those row labels, you can go to filter and add this option called top 10. So let us say you want just the top 10 items. You immediately get it sorted that way. So you can be sure that this is just 10 items that are there. You can see that from here. Or if you say you want only the top 5 items or top 3 items in the top 10 filter, you can give it as top 5 or top 3 or whatever uh, number that you want. So I have given top 5 and I get to know immediately what are the top 5 items. And at any point of time, these filters can be used. You can find out, now I have checked all. You can find out for south or north or central or all the regions put together, and you get the data immediately. So I think I personally believe that this is an immensely useful tool for analyzing data. Definitely, there is much more to pivot tables, which I will be discussing in the upcoming videos. So I request you to kindly understand this particular tool. You can try it out. I have also given the worksheet, sample worksheet, the same worksheet. In fact, you can work it out at your end. Try it out multiple times. You can try all the multiple options and uh, check the next upcoming videos. Thank you.